Hello and welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's podcast we are going to be talking about a 28-day February challenge. Yes, we're doing a challenge. We're going to be back here for 28 days doing a podcast every single day. This is going to be a challenge in itself as I've not done any for a couple of weeks. I keep starting them and then stopping them. But we have been set a challenge to talk about 28 different things on a daily basis. Now, if you follow me on YouTube and on Facebook and Instagram, you'll be able to see what the challenge is. It's basically a different topic for every single day of February, and we're going to be talking about each one of those. It's good really because sometimes I struggle to find topics to talk about on my podcast and on my YouTube videos, so it's set some topics what I can follow and talk about. If you're not following me on Facebook, make sure you do follow me, Gardening with Ben, and on my YouTube channel, as you'll be able to see the videos as they get published on a daily basis. Obviously you can listen to these on here as well, but they're not as good as visual sometimes, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube to stay up to date with all my videos and see what I'm getting up to. So today's topic is share this list, and that's for the 1st of February. I know this is going up on the 2nd of February, but I'm starting it today. So the first topic is share this list, and obviously I can't show you the list, so I'm going to have to tell you what the list is about. And the list, what's being put out is, so on the 1st it's share this list, the 2nd what I've been up to, 3rd my space right now, 4th plans, 5th excited for, 6 this is me, 7 tidy tips, 8 all the seeds, 9 pruning, 10 pots, 11 mad about mulch, 12 in the details, 13 beverage, 14th love is in the air for Valentine's Day obviously, 15th for the birds, 16th growing gear, 17th protection, 18th throwback, 19th motivation, 20th plans for potatoes, 21st countdown, 22nd through the window, 23rd favourite tool, 24th signs of spring, what we're all waiting for, 25th point of view, 26th seedbed versus seed tray, 27th a bit of warmth, and 28th February roundup. So as you can see from that list, there is a long list of great topics what I can talk about. Like I said, sometimes it's always hard to find topics to talk about in gardening, because obviously around now there's not much that's happening down on the plot, and it's obviously cold, so it's a case of just getting things tidy at the moment. I can't go into too much detail as that is what I need to talk about in my next topic, so make sure you click that subscribe button on the podcast channel you're listening to listen to what I'm getting up to now on the plot. So I'm excited about this list. When I'm gardening sometimes I need that motivation to push me to do stuff, so I need to get out there and get doing stuff. As well as these topics what have been set out for the 28 days, I'll hopefully be recording some other podcasts about different topics, so sometimes you might even get 2 a day. So fingers crossed you might get be privileged to get in 2 podcasts. But I'm really enjoying doing these podcasts. When I'm looking at how many people have listened to them, this week I've had over 1,000 people listen to my podcasts. I've got over 100 subscribers on Spotify. So it's great to see how many people actually listen and where you listen from as well. I'm getting people from all over the world, in Canada, America, France, Germany, not just the UK, so it's great to see that I'm getting out to a big audience. And this year, my main project for my gardening page, as I've been doing my Facebook page now for 3-4 years, I wanted to build up that new audience. I purchased a new camera at the end of last year, so I'm going to be focusing lots and lots on doing my YouTube channel. I really enjoy doing the filming, so I'm going to be doing lots more YouTube videos to share content with everybody. I also bought this microphone last year, and that is so that I can do these podcasts on a regular basis. I know sometimes they're a bit hit and miss. Sometimes I'm doing them on a daily basis, but I did say after Christmas that they wouldn't be on a daily basis, as it's always hard to find time to record stuff, but I will be doing them on a daily basis in February. So I'll be doing these, and yeah, fingers crossed we can get a lot more people involved. So we never know, I might get some guest speakers on. I don't know how to do it, but one day I might get some guest speakers on talking about their allotments and how they enjoy gardening. So we'll see about that. So thanks for listening to today's podcast. Like I said, follow this on my YouTube channel, Gardening with Ben, and on my Instagram and Facebook if you're not already. This is a month by month on the plot, so we'll see how we get on, and fingers crossed we can complete this 28-day challenge. I hope you enjoy listening. Until next time, remember, keep gardening.